In this section, I will share some computer skills. For example, how to input Chinese characters in a document. Some students may ask how I could input pinyin tone markers in a document. That is a good question. Let me show you the easiest way to mark the tones. For example, I want to mark the word pinyin with tones, and I know these two words are all first tone. The easiest way is to put the number 1 after each word, like this. So it is pronounced like pinyin. Simple, right? Here is another question. Some students may want to learn how to type pinyin markers like this. 谢谢. That is a great question as well, because that is related to an advanced computer skill. I will teach you how to do that in class personally. At some point, it may benefit you to know how to input Chinese characters into a computer. For example, Word 2010. Let me show you how. First, you need to go to Control Panel and set up there first. I will show you step by step. You go to the Windows Stop button and click on Devices and Printers. You will see a pop-up window. Please click Control Panel. Under Clock, Language and Region, please click Change Keyboards or other input methods. Under the tab Keyboards and Language, click the button Change Keyboard. The window Text Surfaces and Input Language will show up, and we want to add 2 input languages there. So please click Add button. The first input language I want to add is Chinese Simplified PRC. So you need to click plus and click plus in front of keyboard again. Please check the first box and click OK button. This input method is widely used in the mainland of China. Let's add another input language. This time I will add new phonetic input language, because this input method is widely used in Taiwan and I'm from there. Like the previous method, on the same window, Text Surfaces and Input Languages, please click Add button. Go to Chinese Traditional Taiwan and click plus sign button. Then click plus sign in front of keyboard again. Please check the third box, Chinese Traditional New Phonetic. and click OK button. Click Apply button and click OK button to close the windows. Let's see how it works. Go to the right hand bottom corner and click English. Let's switch to simplified Chinese input method. Key in pinyin and push the spacebar to choose the option and push the enter key. Let me show you. Key in PINYIN, push space bar to choose the option and push the enter key. See, to simplify the Chinese characters, pinyin shows up. Let's try the other input language method used in Taiwan. Go to the right hand bottom corner and click English again. Let's switch to Chinese traditional Taiwan. Let me input the phonetic symbols and get the two Chinese characters, pinyin. We notice that these two words, pinyin, looks the same, both in simplified Chinese and traditional Chinese. We will talk about the differences between these two Chinese character systems later in our class. Any questions? Okay, I know you have a good question for me. You are curious about what are those symbols by these two Chinese characters, such as pinyin, right? Actually, they are phonetic symbols used in Taiwan. Let me show you how I could get those symbols to show up. In order to do that, you need to highlight these two traditional Chinese words. Okay, before we do that, we need to turn on phonetic guide. How could we do that? Let me show you. We go to the quick access toolbar. Go to the More Comment. Choose All Comment. Scroll down to find Phonetic Guide. It's right here. Phonetic Guide. Add. Click OK. So you will see Phonetic Guide. So you need to highlight these two traditional Chinese words and click this button. You will see a phonetic guide window pop up and click OK. You can also decide the size of your phonetic symbols. Highlight, click again. Let's choose 16. Then click OK. See? Now you will get the phonetic symbols showing up by your Chinese characters like this, pinyin. Hopefully you have enjoyed what I have taught you today. We don't have much time now. See you next time. Bye bye.